Hey guys, in this video I'll talk about how to add new group members inside your WhatsApp group. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any crucial parts. Alright, now let's begin. So now the first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Once that's done, click on open, head into your chats, and in particular your group chat. And now to add members from here, simply click onto your group chat's name, like that. And there should be a little add sign there, add person sign, so click that. And from here, just scroll down and find the people you want to add to your WhatsApp group messenger. Or if they're not on your WhatsApp group chat here, scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you can invite via a link or add a new contact. Alright, that's it for the tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching this to the very end. If this video helped you, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel.